Yeah, traffic was backed up for quite some time here along I-35 going northbound because of that incident. What started out as a wreck ended with a man that went off the bridge. If you were along I-35 near the 2nd Street exit Monday around 4, you may have been stuck in traffic for some time. A semi-truck driver was involved in a minor wreck with a truck. When the Oklahoma Highway Patrol responded, the 30-year-old truck driver allegedly didn't set the parking brake and rolled into the OHP vehicle. When troopers worked to impound that semi, the driver left the scene on foot, even though they say he wasn't being arrested or detained. He later ended up on this bridge where he fell off, and Edmond PD say he was impaled by rebar at a construction site, causing chaos as the construction workers scrambled to call 911. Now, police don't know why the driver took off on foot or why he fell off that bridge. They did tell me after searching his truck, they didn't find anything illegal inside. And police tell me that man is still in the hospital in critical condition. Reporting in Oklahoma City, Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News.